and I can recite to you the introductory to my book about the Battle of the Little Bighorn. Would you like me to do that?
Sure.
When the Civil War was over, in the battles lost and won, there was trouble in the Northwest. Indian wars had begun. Sitting Bull was very angry, as were all of the great chiefs. They assembled for a powwow, and they pondered their beliefs. They brought all their warriors with them when they met at Rosebud Creek, and each chief would tell his story when it came his turn to speak. Red Cloud rose and spoke with candor. Pale Face, he don't talk straight, never. Two Moon thrust two fingers forward, and he speak with forked tongue always. Sitting Bull, enraged and angry, he make treaty always broken. Spotted Tail was most emphatic. Slaughter buffalo on the prairie. When it came to their decision, it was war from one and all. Then the council named the war chiefs, Two Moon, Crazy Horse, and Gull. Their encampment near the Rosebud was as awesome as could be. More than 7,000 warriors spread as far as you could see. The war chiefs planned a pincer action. The Little Bighorn is where they'd fight, where the cottonwoods grew thickest and conditions were just right. Custer's scouts were very fearful. They didn't think they could survive. Don't go in there, General Custer, or we won't come out alive. He said their fears were unfounded, smiled and told them not to worry. The tougher the fight, the greater the glory. He visualized the headline story. The Indian braves moved to the Bighorn. They hid where they could not be seen. As they waited for the battle, all was quiet and serene. The war chiefs lured the Pony soldiers. A band of braves left during the night. At daybreak, they provoked the cavalry and strategically took flight. General Custer was elated. Leave the heavy guns behind. They would only tend to slow us. Kill every redskin you can find. The taunting braves raced to the Bighorn. The trap was set. The bait was taken. 300 cavalry were with Custer when he entered the Bighorn Basin. The cavalry chase took him in deeper, and everything was going so well. Then the war chiefs gave the signal, and they turned it into hell. The cavalry fought a gallant battle, but the odds were just too great. They were overwhelmed by thousands. A horrible death became their fate. That's it.
Great. Very good.
Thank you.
That was awesome.
If that tells you what this book is about.